Has your monitor stopped making sounds even though you have speakers built in and suddenly stopped? It happened to me. Have you tried everything on the internet, like updating the driver, deleting the driver, and so on, and nothing is working? Then maybe you are in the right place, because this worked for me. I don't know why did it work, but I'm gonna let you know what did I do to make it work, and it did. So let's do it. First thing you do is you press Windows I and you open the settings. Windows I and you open the settings. Let me bring my camera here, and then you go to System, and then you go to Sound, which is next to me, and then you go to your monitor. In my case is E2422HS. You click on it. Okay, I did click on it. You click on it. Yes, that's it. And you come to this little sound thing. You come to this little sound thing, and you press it twice, or maybe once or twice or 3 times. Press it once, it will mute it. Press it again, and then obviously leave it on and try, and it should work. That's why I did, and it did work. Or you can even play a YouTube video maybe, and do this thing while you are playing that YouTube video in the background. And don't do it fast. You don't have to do it fast. Just slowly, like now, 1 click, and then wait like a few seconds, and then open it again, and it should make it work. I don't know why it did to me, but that's how I fixed it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. See you later.